to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and today we will see how to connect the Rode mic on my Canon M50 Mark II. You can do same process of any kind of Canon cameras. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. So first of all, you think which one is a receiver and which one is a transformer. So this one is a transformer. I just simply fix here top of the body of the Canon like this. It's very fancy. Now here is audio jack. This audio jack our Rode mic are providing inside the box. It just simply fix out here. On your Canon M50 Mark II audio jack is available. You just fix here and that's it. Now I can record very easily video using this audio jack. Like suppose for example I fix out here and I can very easily record my traveling videos or personal vlog using Rode mic. You can fix out very easily Rode mic on any kind of Canon, especially on Canon M50 Mark II, and record video. If you really like this video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.